Welcome again. In this video, we'll go over some of the general improvements and bug fixes included in MatrixGold 3.9. These updates are based on user feedback and focus on improving daily workflow and performance. You'll find the full list of changes in the release notes, but we'll highlight some of the most important updates here to give you a better idea of what's new and how it can benefit your work. Let's start with a fix for smaller screens. In 3.8, some interface elements were hard to reach when screen space was limited. In 3.9, we've added a horizontal scroll bar so you can access all options easily on smaller displays. Next, we've improved GPU reporting. In 3.8, the GPU data shown in preferences wasn't always accurate. Now in 3.9, you'll see clear and correct GPU details under Edit, Preferences, Troubleshooting. We also made updates to the channel cutter tool. In 3.8, you could only adjust the length using cap values. In 3.9, we added a gem profile start slider. That lets you control where the sweep begins, more flexible and intuitive. This addition is especially helpful when placing channels near prongs. You can now fine-tune the start point of the channel so it blends more naturally with other settings like pave or surface prongs. Another quality of life improvement. In previous versions, when MatrixGold was maximized, you couldn't drag the window to a different monitor. Now, even in full screen mode, you can easily move the interface between screens. Now let's talk about layer consistency. In 3.8, if you place gems into a specific layer, new gems added afterward wouldn't stay in that layer. This made it hard to manage elements by group or layer color. In 3.9, this behavior is fixed. Once you move objects like gems into a layer, any edits or additional items will stay in that same layer, making file organization much more consistent. We also addressed a bug when using mirror on gems. In 3.8, mirrored stones sometimes displayed incorrect negative weights. In 3.9, mirrored gems now keep their original weight values. You can now mirror any stone, and both the original and its mirror will show identical carat weights, eliminating confusion and ensuring proper weight reporting for your design. Another geometry fix involved chamfers on bezels. In 3.8, chamfering sometimes created broken or distorted geometry. This has been fully corrected in version 3.9 for cleaner, more accurate results. We've also made improvements for users who work with custom metal alloys. If you updated your default material to, say, 18 karat gold, MatrixGold 3.8 would reset it to 14K after restarting. That's now fixed in 3.9. When you set a default alloy in the Layers tab, your selection is saved between sessions. It stays that way until you choose to reset it manually. And yes, you can still reset to the default 14 karat alloy anytime by clicking Reset Default. But if you prefer to keep your custom settings, MatrixGold now remembers them. Another workflow improvement is the Comfort Fit command. In 3.8, you had to adjust profiles manually to achieve a comfort fit on rings. Now in 3.9, you can apply it directly from the cutter step. Just select the ring surface and click Comfort Fit. You'll instantly see a curved profile that shapes the interior for better comfort, faster and easier than the old method. So those are some of the key updates and improvements we've introduced in MatrixGold 3.9. These changes aim to save time, reduce friction, and give you more control over your designs. Don't forget, you can view the full release notes for even more detailed updates. And if you have any questions or need support, our team is here to help you anytime. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy working with the new and improved MatrixGold 3.9.